Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix welcome to Instagram problem. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other Android device and when you have open your Instagram and facing this type of issue and want to remove this welcome to Instagram, I'll help you how to fix this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you have to open your settings first and scroll it down, click on general. From here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN. After doing this you have to go back, and guys now you have to set your date and time on automatically, and now you have to go back, click on language and region and select your region according to your country. And now you have to go back. After this you have to click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it down, open Instagram here, and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys after this you need to open again your Instagram and your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and having this issue again and again, no need to worry. You have to follow multiple accounts on Instagram. As you can see here, I am going to follow my accounts. And guys, after following some accounts you have to refresh your page again, and guys now you can see your problem has been fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.